This is really superb. I've looked at thousands of HVAC websites, and like I love that it's above the fold. Some of their pages have three of the book now, get a quick estimate, book online. I love that there's multiple ones. I love the colors. Okay, if you want to play with it, just use 63144 as the zip code, which is their zip code. You can pick the service. It's brilliant that it's multiple steps and it's very non-threatening. It's just like one or two questions, one or two questions, one or two questions. You don't even realize that you've answered 10 or 12 questions. It makes them feel like that they're important and they booked an appointment for the very next day or the day after, but they didn't. In fact, I mean, just see how it works, play with it. I love the functionality. I love how it works. Let us know if you want something like this on your site.